What's the meaning of bowl game? Bowl game. Bowl game.
Bowl game. Bowl game. In American college football, a bowl game is a postseason game played between two teams. The teams are typically selected based on their overall records during the regular season, with the best teams being invited to participate in more prestigious bowl games. Bowl games are typically held in late December and early January and are seen as rewards for successful seasons. Winning a bowl game is considered a significant achievement for a college football team and can help boost their standing in the rankings for the following season. In summary, a bowl game is a postseason football game that rewards teams for their successful seasons.